Hey guys, it's Bailey from The Monkeys, and now let's come right over here to Danielle in The Monkeys. Danielle! Oh, she's in there. Yeah, she's in the restroom right now. So right now, this is our first video, guys. Hope you guys really like our videos and everything. So I know I'll enjoy doing them. And don't forget to follow me on my other channel. I'll put that in the description below. So please follow us and comment over here. So now, let's see. As you guys know, all videos, some of ours will be long, some of us videos will be shorter. Who knows? All you need to know is that. So if you guys can see my background, we have all these snowmen and a bobblehead. Danielle one and a drawing. I'm Bailey Monkey. I have Danielle Monkey, Mama Monkey, Bee Monkey, and Ed Monkey. We have Sophie Monkey and Max Monkey. Let's go see Sophie Monkey. This is Bee Monkey. Oh, here comes Danielle. Here she is. Say hi.
Hi.
So, okay. Guys, thanks for watching for our first video. Give it a thumbs up. Please comment down what kind of challenges we should start doing in The Monkeys. And tell your friends about us. Bye.